Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to recover the deleted photos on iPhone. Now if you want to recover the deleted photos on iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to recover the deleted photos on iPhone, you can check the recently deleted album in the Photos app, now which temporarily stores the deleted photo for 30 days. But if they are not there, recover might be more challenging but possible with the backups. Now here's how you can do the recovery. Now you may open the Photos app on an icon. So if you have deleted any photo and you want to recover it, you need to scroll down on the Photos app, and here you will see the various options like videos, selfies, live photos, portraits, and all of it. So under the utilities section, you'll see the option of favorites, hidden, and recently deleted. So open the recently deleted app, and it uses the Face ID or the passcode of your device, and from here you need to choose the photos, and you'll see the option of recover on the photos you have deleted. So click on the option of recover and you'll be able to get back on the photos section. So by doing this you'll be able to recover them. But if you have completely deleted from the recently deleted album also and you want to recover those photos, then you may go on the iCloud backup. So you may open settings and you may click on your name, and if you have enabled the backup on your iCloud, then you will be able to recover it from here. But if your storage is full like mine, then you won't be able to recover it because it will only store a specific number of stories of the photos. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to recover the photos from your iPhone. So that's it. That's how you can recover it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.